All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Well, first, something kind of cool. Now that I have a bigger garage, I can fit a F-150 in here, extended cab, kind of cool. This is my dad's truck. We're gonna be changing the oil. Once again, lots of fun storage. Maybe we'll put a fun car in here and do some fun stuff, but we'll see. Okay, so this is a 1994 F-150, 5.8 liter. So they make also 5.0, and I think it was even a 4.9. So make sure you know the difference before you go get an oil filter and stuff, because I actually got the wrong one. I didn't know, so but hey, went back, got the right one, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. So, all right. I've never done this one before, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so your oil pan is gonna be right here. And there's your nut. So that's what we're gonna take off right here real quick. This takes a 17 millimeter. Let's see here. It's going. This is a very, oh, there it goes. Yeah, this stuff hasn't been changed for a while here. All right, it's coming out a little bit more. Sure is on there pretty good. Oh, I think we can do it now. Let's see.
Oh, that's a lot of oil.
It is. Ow! That is hot oil.
Hot oil.
Yes, it is very hot oil.
Yeah, people.
Shh.
Ooh. You don't want to touch that with your fingers.
Nope, because it's hot.
Shh.
All right, see if we can give that a turn. Oh, there we go. All right, here it goes. Ooh, it's very hot. There it goes. Woohoo! Oh. Go get some paper towels. All right, get some paper towels here. Yep, it's a lot of oil going. All right, so we're gonna let that stuff all drain. All right, so we're gonna let this drain. When we put the drain plug back in, then I gotta find the filter. Tell you the truth, I don't know where the filter is, but we will definitely find it. So the 501, it was a Wix filter. It was like 5151 or something like that. And that was for the 501 once again, so just make sure you double check it. All right, we're gonna go grab the oil filter and we'll get that going. All right, here we go. Going back under here. And the oil filter is over here on the left driver's side. I find it easier, pull the towel out here real quick. It's easier to use my left hand, but it's all just right up in there, you can see it. So we're gonna turn it counterclockwise. I already got it a little bit off. This one's hot because I was driving it, but hopefully, ooh, that is hot. I don't know if this is gonna come out with the oil, but maybe we wanna move some of the stuff back. All right, so we'll put the towel back up in there. All right, little by little here. All right, so it's turning. Oh, there we go. Hopefully I got the, not sure the oil's gonna fall once again, but. Oh, here goes a little bit. That is good. Definitely use some gloves and oil there after we did our little moving. A little more going. Looks like we got a Napa oil filter in this bad boy. Alright. Oop. There it goes. Now the fun thing is, how do I get this thing out of here? It's like doing Tetris. Oop, it's stuck up there. Well, I'm gonna figure get this out real quick and we'll come back above. All right, so I finally got it out. Now, I don't know if this is how they designed it, but you have to actually jump up here and there's a little hole down in there. That we're able to pull it out of. It's just right down there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, that's how easy it comes out through that way. So we'll put the new one through there and then tighten up, put some oil in this bad boy. All right, oil of choice is some Mobil 1 high mileage synthetic. It's a 5W30 and our good old Wix XP extended life. Designed for full synthetic oils. Awesome. This is a 51372. So you can also get this in the extended performance or just the regular Wix ones as well. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this bad boy up. Trust me, it's not for short people, so we're gonna go ahead and start filling that up. Not sure how many quarts it uses, but we're gonna find out. There's 6 in here, so we should be good to go. All right, so that's pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. Was interesting to get the oil filter out of that little spot from on top, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So just had to change your oil and oil filter, a 1994 F-150 5.8 liter.